water softening. The reduction or removal of hardness is called as water softening. Water is said to be hard when it contains relatively large amount of carbonates and bicarbonates, sulfates, chlorides of calcium and magnesium. When this reacts with soap, it causes a precipitation which appears as curd on the water surface. It causes some of the troubles. They are: the first one is it causes more consumption of soap in laundry works. It leads to the modification of some of the colors, and this affects the working of the dyeing system. Third one is it causes serious difficulties in manufacturing process such as paper making, canning, etc. Fourth point is it causes choking and the blocking troubles of the house plumbing due to precipitation of sands causing hardness. Fifth point, it causes formation of scales on the boilers and other hot water heating system. And the last point, it makes food tasteless. There are two types of hardness. The first one is temporary hardness and the second one is the permanent hardness. The temporary hardness, this can be caused by the carbonates and bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. The permanent or non-carbonate hardness can be caused by sulfates, chlorides and nitrates of calcium plus magnesium. Methods of removing temporary hardness. There are two types of methods for removing temporary hardness. The first method is by boiling method. Second is by adding lime. Boiling. If calcium bicarbonate exists in water, the heat, the water, the carbonate gas will be released and it will lead to the precipitation of CaCO3, which can be sedimented out in settling tank. And the magnesium bicarbonate and magnesium carbonate cannot be removed satisfactorily by boiling. Therefore, it can be treated by adding lime. So these are the two types of the system. Generally, hydrated lime CaOH2 is added to the water. The calcium carbonate plus magnesium hydroxide are precipitated and can be removed in the sedimentation tank. Methods of removing permanent hardness. That is, one is by lime soda process, second is zeolite process and demineralization process, and the fourth is reverse osmosis process. These methods will discuss in the next